Here is how you can play every single Nintendo game on your phone for free.
It's me, Mario!
You heard me exactly right. We're about to play Nintendo games on this phone for free. Now, if you want to play Nintendo games the usual way, either you have to go on eBay, find a console, and then find the game cartridge for that console, and then you have to buy both of them, and then you can play that game. Now, this process can either be very tedious, very long, and it involves a lot of research. You have to find the console that is perfectly in good condition, the game that is in good condition, and you just have to consider a lot of factors before going through all of it. The second approach that you can go for is to buy one of these handhelds. This one in particular I got from Temu for exactly $20. And for that, it offers you 16,000 games from different consoles. But I feel like even this does not give you the full immersive experience. Coming back to the main thing, how will we play Nintendo games on this phone? Go to App Store and search for Delta Emulator, and it's gonna look something like this. And then you have to simply download that. It offers emulations from NES, SNES, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, Nintendo DS, and even N64. The best part is the app has zero ads and you don't have to pay for anything. And now comes the main thing. How do you get the video game itself? Before we continue, I would like to say piracy is a really bad thing. I condone it. I do not like it. I will not be showing you guys how to download the game itself, but there's a really easy way for you guys to just go to Google, type the name of the game that you want to download, and add ROM at the end of it. Then click on whatever the first page is, and then you can download the game that you want. Now you have to upload your game to the Delta Emulator by pressing the plus icon and selecting files, and select whatever file that you want to upload, and then you have your game. And then you can easily play whatever video game you want for free. But I condone piracy, alright? Piracy is bad. One more thing that I would like to tell you, that if you do not like touch controls, you can simply just use a controller. If you have an extra controller lying around, you can connect it to your phone, and that way you can directly play your video games on the controller. So far, I have used every single console that this emulator offers, and I have not faced any issues at all. I've been playing Super Mario 64 and it works so perfectly, and I have nothing to complain about. If you want to take it to an extreme, you have the option to connect your phone directly to a monitor, connect your controller to your phone, and that way you have a proper gaming setup. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can play Nintendo games on your phone for free. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe as well. If you're struggling with anything, comment down below and I'll be sure to help you guys with it. Signing off.